IXL, Formatting and Capitalizing Titles for 8th grade. When writing, it is important to note the titles of different works correctly. Longer works, like books, are to be italicized or underlined when written by hand, while short works, like songs, poems, are supposed to be written within quotation marks. Our I can statement for this is I can plan, revise, edit, rewrite, or try a new approach in my writing. The student directions, you're given a to-do list. 1, it says before completing the IXL, review the following. If you're watching this video, which is currently the first video that I'm recording, you're going to go through and do the IXL with me for a few questions. Below it, we always try to put a few example videos so that you can review the content in case you're struggling. We'll also link any important notes. For example, if you were to click this, it will bring up a PDF of the notes that we reviewed in class. For example, underlining when handwriting or italicizing when typing books, magazines, plays, poetry collections, also known as anthologies, and newspapers. And we give examples. In quotation marks, those are for short works such as poems, chapters of a book, articles from a magazine or newspaper, and we provide examples here. It's always important to review these before you do your work, just to familiarize yourself with what you're being expected to do. After you've reviewed this material, we would like you to click on this. It says the IXL on capitalizing and italicizing titles. Go ahead and click that. It will bring this up. And you'll notice your SMART score over here in this corner. When you click on this link, it'll ask you which sentence is correct. And it'll give you 2 or 3 options. It is your job to read these after reviewing your notes to determine which of these is the correct example. Now, this is talking about a play. A play is considered a long work, so this should be underlined or italicized. Okay? In looking at this in the 3 examples, there are 2 that are italicized. So automatically, I'm not going to choose number 1 because it's in quotation marks. The options are, there was a long line to see the play Sail or Return, or there was a long line to see the play Sail or Return. You'll notice the only difference between the 2 is the capitalization of the word or. Or is not a necessary word, so I'm going to go ahead and click this option. Notice it tells me that I'm correct. If I got the option incorrect, it would bring this up. It'll tell you why it's incorrect. It'll give you an explanation, and then it'll tell you which words to be looking for that need to be capitalized. If you reviewed the videos within here, he goes over all of the words that should be capitalized. I highly recommend that you review that just so that you don't make a simple mistake like I did here. Now you'll notice that I already received a ribbon. We actually want you to hit a SMART score of 80 or higher to get full credit. Once you do that, you're going to screenshot your work and you are going to submit it here. Okay? If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your teachers. We look forward to hearing from you. Bye, guys.